Would you like to create rich, vibrant, and beautiful colored pencil artworks? Hi, my name is Lindsay Weirich, and I'd like to invite you to the Creative Colored Pencil course. In this class, you will learn everything you need to know to get started on your colored pencil journey. You will learn the tools and supplies you're going to need. You will learn the techniques from basic to advanced to make your artwork happen, and then we're going to take those techniques and put them to use in 4 traditional colored pencil projects. And by that I mean that we just use colored pencils all the way through. After that, we are going to branch out into some mixed media techniques and do 6 mixed media projects because I love to use my colored pencils over alcohol marker, watercolor marker, watercolors, pastels, gouache. I just love to mix it all up. So I'm going to show you how to do that in an archival way so your stuff doesn't just fall off the paper after you're done. After you've created those 6 beautiful artworks, if you still have more colored pencil appetite, you can check out the resource section where I have a tutorial archive of other tutorials I've done in colored pencils so that you can keep on learning long after the class is done. This class has lifetime access, which means that you can come back to it time and time again anytime you want to brush up on your skills, and you don't have to be in a rush to finish. If this sounds good to you, please click the link below and enroll today.